So I got something new. The BVI Tote Saw. Built-in motor, 2-speed, wood or metal. My understanding is this is from like the 60s. And you can kind of tell because there is not an ounce of plastic on this thing. All metal, super cool construction. The brass bearings there on the wheels with little tiny snap rings. I mean, these are small. They've all got little snap rings. The 2-speed is delivered by moving this chain to this gear, and then this gear just works as just idles there. So right now it's in slow or low speed. Move the chain to this gear, and it's in high speed. And this thing is just super cool. Measuring the blade, it's exactly 54 inches long. So I haven't really found if that's a common size or not. Here's the little blade tracks. Kind of just rest in there, and these adjust back and forth. There's one there and there's another one underneath. This part, you can undo these wing nuts, loosen them, and this part moves up and down. This thing is just super cool, and you can tell it's super old. The copper windings of the motor here are like covered in paper. You just don't see stuff like that anymore. I believe it's had a little bit of work done. There was a port for a small light bulb right here that I took out because it was sort of nasty. And I believe this is a aftermarket switch, not the factory one. But anyways, the thing turns on nice. It runs smooth and pretty quiet. There's a little bit of play in this. It does move a little bit. I haven't cut anything with it yet, but I don't see why it wouldn't cut good. This thing is just super cool. The motor stays in there. Here there's the adjustment for the tension on the blade. Is this screw. There's a nut added to it because I believe the threads in here were stripped. The wheel here has got adjustment screws on both sides for I guess that's kind of to set the angle of the wheel. You set the angle of the wheel back and forth so that the blade is riding centered on them. This thing is just really awesome, all metal, and still working for maybe 50 years after it was made. Still working like new. So here it is with the guards on. There's just 3 screws that hold them on, one there, and one there. I should mention the wheels are a 6-inch diameter. I think I need some new tires for them, and I'm not really sure where to get those or what I could possibly make them out of. You can see it runs pretty smooth, but this piece moves a little bit. throwing a little bit of slow-mo video of the gears going. But this thing is cool, and I'm excited to get a little use cutting with it.